Speed limit signs are pretty clear about how fast you're allowed to drive. Or are they? Today's question on the Texas Drivers Quiz, true or false? Drivers can be ticketed when driving at or below the speed limit. The answer is true. You can get a ticket for driving the speed limit when road conditions make it dangerous to do so. It's called unsafe speed. Remember, the posted speed limit means that's the maximum you can drive when conditions are perfect. When it's raining or foggy, when traffic is heavy, or when road construction is ahead, you should adjust your speed accordingly. That means driving to conditions and driving slower than the posted limit.
Even if you are driving slower speed than what's posted, because of the conditions, whether it's rain, sleet, ice, or hail, because of the conditions, if you're driving at an unsafe speed, you will be cited for it because you can create an accident, and that's what we're trying to prevent out here.
For the TxDOT Texas Drivers Quiz, I'm Kathleen Jennings.